Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to move body. You can go to the parametric body and as examples I will draw a rectangle object and then use the path tools to convert into 3D and create again the second body, use sketch, choose the top plane, use rectangle again and then use path tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to move like this body 001, you can right click and use the transform tools to move the objects. Or another, if you want to move this body, right click, use the active body, and then use again the transforms to move the body. Another option, you also can use the manipulator workbench to move the objects by using aligns. You can click. And the next, like example, I will click from this point. Okay, in the top here. And I will click at this point corner to the second object. Click the lines tools to move the object. Okay, I will click again from this point. Okay, from this point into here. And then click lines to move the object. Again, in here. And then click again to move. So that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to move body.